Hello, I would like to show you a contract test that we have between HackDev and application service. I would like to show what do we have now and how does it look like when the break-in change is made. So now we have two contracts specified on a HackDev side and appropriate tests written in the application service repo. Tests are running locally during the development, they are running during a PR check, and they are published to the packed broker during a PR post-merge phase. So this is how the packed broker looks like. You can see there is a timestamp for every verification that happened, and you can also see the provider and consumer version for that particular verification. So we have the history of verification done there. But let's get back to the code. So how does it work now locally is that we agreed with the developers that we will keep it as simple as possible. So developers were used to just run the make test command. So we agreed to just extend actual command and add a packed test to that one. We also agreed to separate unit tests and pack tests. The benefit of pack test is that they run together with the unit test, so using the same command. But we agreed to skip them from the unit test and run them as a separate test suite, because it's much easier for developers to debug the problems if the unit test starts to fail. So this way it's much easier to find the root cause of the failure. So we agreed to split it like that. For the demo purpose, I decided to change the condition and to change the reason from OK to finished. This is just the string type, just some, let's say, random string that is there. It's not safe in any template or custom resource definition. So it's just there. And if we run the test, unit test will pass with that change. But on the HackDev side, if it gets merged, we are checking the exact string that is there. So we are checking if it is error or if it is OK. So with that change, we will break the behavior on a HackDev. And it will not be caught by the unit test. So let's just run test and see. So running test is as simple as usual, just make test. And I've run that before to save some time. So let's take a look how it looks like when it fails. So here at the end, you can see there is one error and it's in a pack test. So let's scroll a little bit up and see this beautiful diff. And it's saying us that the expected was to have the reason OK. Expected, it means it was in a contract that was defined by the HackDev. And actual behavior of the code was that it returns the reason finished. So that is the benefit of the contract test, that even me as a developer of application service, when I do some change locally, here I clearly see that I may do some break-in change for some other component that depends on our code. So that's the power of contract tests. Thank you. That's it.